Welcome back to SK Hobbies, AZ and I am Stitch. And on this episode, we've got another set of RC all-wheel drive tires, and we're going to be putting it on the Power Wagon. You're not going to want to miss this, so stay tuned. Well, all right, welcome back. So yes, RC all-wheel drive sent us out some 1.0 versions of their new brass rims, and these are weighted. And let's go ahead and get this opened up. See what we got in here. Stuff out of here. We got some stickers. Kind of get those put over here out of the way. So these are weighted, and I have a set of Enduras. You can see the difference in the thickness, but let's go ahead and get these weighted. Let's go ahead and see how much one of these. All right, we're going to weigh one of the Endura rims, and this one is showing up as 14 grams. And here is the new RC all-wheel drive one. You guys see right there. It's kind of a cool design. It's what the back looks like. It's coming in at 36 grams of weight. So it's low weight, but it is rotational weight. So, you know, it's going to be on the wheel itself. We'll see how well it performs. Now, I haven't done any upgrades to this yet. This is going to be the first upgrade we're going to put these wheels on. And let's get to taking this apart. The tires we are going to use are Little Guy Racing Swamp Kings. These are the 57 millimeter width tires, so these are more scale looking. And if you guys want to see the difference, it's pretty much almost the same height as the stock tires on here. So we're going to give these guys a shot. I'm running the stock foams in here. And let's go ahead and get this apart. It is the standard SCX24 size hardware, so it is a you can use your 050 tool. Rest of these uninstalled, and then we'll weigh that brass ring. So this is more than just a brass ring. It looks like everything is brass in this. So you're going to have some pretty good weight with these. These are pretty much my first SCX24 brass wheels. I normally don't run low sprung weight that's rotational. Most of all of my weight is is low down, like diff covers will do. Some of mine have the axles that are all brass, which we've gotten from CCXRC, his Baby Hippo ones. But I am not quite sure what we are going to do on this platform for the Power Wagon. It performed very well out of the box. No complaints there. All right, so you got your brass ring, and then this is a two-piece design right here that kind of locks in around the brass ring, and it is keyed. So you can kind of see the face there. It's kind of notched, so it kind of keys and pinches into place. Let's move this stuff out of the way. All right, so just this brass ring itself is 22 grams. So let's get it installed in a tire and see what we got. All right, so we got the brass ring in. And then this goes through the back side. Seems pretty simple to install. So pretty simple to get in there. I got two screws in there. Does seem like it was pretty simple to put together. Nothing popped out to me it'd be a big issue, but we are completely installed. I'm going to go ahead and get the other ones put on, and then we'll come back and get it put onto the Power Wagon. All right, so we got all 4 tires built, and we're going to get them installed onto the Power Wagon now. So we'll start here with the front. And I'm probably going to reuse these tires because I really like, if you look at them, they're pretty cool looking. They're, you know, the Super Swamper. We might put them on another set of rims and use them on another build. All right, so just remember when you're installing them, just back it off a little bit so you get that, so it's freewheeling. Because if not, it really puts a stress on the axle right there, and you're going to snap that axle. Very common with these guys. You don't want it too tight, and they're little nylock nuts, so should be fine. Back off just a little bit. Off of there. Nylock facing up. You know, I'm a really huge supporter of these Swamp King tires, and these are they're more scale looking ones, so they're smaller. They do have bigger ones. They're 63, I believe it's 63 millimeters, and I use some of those on my other builds. And let's make sure we're grabbing the right ones. We want it facing this way. Keep that. All right. So there we go. That's what it looks like on the Power Wagon. Like we got some good clearance. Got the Swamp Kings on there and the RC all-wheel drive. RC all-wheel drive tires. So I'll put a link down in the description of where I got these from, and you know, check them out. They're amazing. This is their new line of brass weighted SCX24 tires. But we're going to go take it out on the backyard crawler course and see how things go. So stay tuned for that one. All right, so we got a battery in it. She's looking good. I mean, with that extra weight on it, not that big of a deal. We'll eventually, I'll put it on the scale and we'll look at what it does for the 60-40 split and see where we're setting with adding all that extra weight. But this is the only upgrade we've done on it. We did get a little rain out here, so the course is a little bit damp. And we're in the process of redoing this mountain back there, so the mountain's kind of gone. But we'll try a couple of these lines and see how this works. So like I said, this is pretty much stock other than replacing these wheels. I handled that one pretty good. Now we do have a stock motor in this. So there you go. Looks like it performs pretty good. We still need to add a little bit more weight to it. I think up front, keep that nose down a little bit, but I think these are going to be a great addition to the Power Wagon build as our first upgrade. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I am Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.